That's low, dog. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, that's low, bro.
I've seen lower.
Discover how low you can go
Now that's Snoop, dog.
with a quote from the General Insurance.
And he's riding with the general.
Yo, G, you drop the rates, I drop the beats.
For a great low rate, you can get online. Go to the General and save some time.
Even for those with less than perfect credit.
Think he's coming back, bro?
Oh yeah,
Hello, pretty ladies.
oh yeah.
Vimto, seriously mixed up fruit.
My name is Mr. Cartoon. I was born in downtown LA. I was raised in San Pedro in the harbor area. Hip hop started very humble in the streets, you know, it was a way to express yourself. The beats were so dope and people were doing graffiti on the walls, it was DJing, people were pop locking. Hip hop is a culture. When I got into lowriding and hip hop were kind of lowriding and hip hop bring everybody together. You know, give people inspiration, man. It's like driving a painting down the street. Like something that should be in a museum is actually in this little garage. And I hope people connect to it and can see that it's honest and it's from the heart.
You've earned this, so hold it up high. This isn't a hobby, it's a lifestyle. You find diamonds in the rust to put your own stamp on stock parts, turning metal into murals and detailing every detail. Because it's the things you make that show what you're made of. You are a fighter, and this is your reward. MODELO, the mark of a fighter.
Hey, man, you know what it's like cruising with a slice of pizza? All that gooey stuff goes everywhere, but not a new Hardee's pizza pocket, man. See, like the only place that the mozzarella and pepperoni goes is in your mouth, not like slices. Hey, nice decoration, man. Good stuff.
Roll home fat with holiday goodies. 2,500 gaming and electronic gifts are under $20 at GameStop. Joy to the players.
Yo, pedestrian.
Realistically, class like oyster white penny wagon free. Double no flow. Got what you need, live and breathe off good smoke. Who chill, who low, who shoot, who kill, who will. See your permanent scar. The overall scale, they clipped it. My part originally scripted. Once plus ignite lifted. Words bang like they finished. Hit it. Hard as my ball did it. Quit it. Who chill, who low, who shoot, who kill, who will. See your permanent scar.
cops always got none. Davis on call, caught in the chase to get famous. Go remaining faceless. Cheers to the riders, cause we know what your name is. Getting up in bathroom stalls, the cops always got none. Davis on call, caught in the chase to get famous. Go remaining faceless. Cheers to the riders, cause we know what your name is. Verses to the hermits, working on 4-letter words, even with more character, kids censored. Lurk with brands and
Guys, ready for the show? Yeah. Enjoy it.
Hold up.
Check me out. Still, I'm representing for the gangsters all across the world. Still, hitting them corners in the
Man, I can't believe that it's opening day again. It's been a crazy couple of months. Especially for you, huh?
This memory will live forever.
They finished the job and
Yeah, we got one more thing to do. Oh, yay, yay!